Think big. We make it possible. This is CIS Coffee Break video series. Today's popular article is all innovative usage of blockchain in Web 3.0 applications. This article starts off with helping readers fully understand Web 3.0 by diving into Web 1.0 and 2.0, and then expanding on the idea and concept of Web 3.0. This article then explores the concept of blockchain and a technology based on trust. All the information presented raises the question, is blockchain technology the new Web 3.0? The process of verifying transactions is becoming more secure and more accessible due to the positive outlook of blockchain in the future. But it is also a reality. With the D app, you can use tokens within the app to fuel transactions and create more tokens with the unique algorithm. There are several conditions to this kind of platform, but it truly shows promise. The article then goes on to discuss smart contracts and the collaborative economy, and most people still use apps and vendors with a third party involved, like Uber or Airbnb. But through blockchain, a truly decentralized sharing economy could actually be obtained. Peer-to-peer payments are key to this success, though. The same goes for crowdfunding as well. Getting directly involved in product development with blockchain can create venture capital fund from multiple sources. You could also apply this to the government. Distributed database technology could provide full transparency to the election or any other type of survey. Blockchain secures file storage and even can improve the protection of intellectual property. So smart contracts can protect copyright and the sale of creative works online. This ever-growing problem can be eliminated because blockchain has the ability to issue payments in fractional amounts, which suggests that blockchain can succeed in this market. There you have it. This has been CIS Coffee Break video series. This is the popular article of the day. Thanks for watching.